Alright folks, this is, try this in the wind. Try that again. Hi, this is Brad Bergamini with Keller Williams in Prescott, Arizona, the Bergamini Group. And I am out here with a virtual showing of one of our listings out here in, it's technically Cordes Lakes, but it's, the address is in Mayer. But take a look at it real quick. The first thing I'm going to show you are the views. I'm not going to be in front of the camera today. I don't have my cameraman. So I am holding the camera. God bless us. And then obviously this is kind of the selling point here. This property is on two different parcels. It is it's got a really great metal building here. I'll go ahead and take a look at it real quick with you guys. Again, good sized metal building for either RV or storage. These folks had run a small business out of it with gourds and some other things here. They've cleaned it up quite a bit since the last time I've been here, but by all means, this is a great addition to any house. And if you're looking for a big building, there's only a few of these that are already on the market, ready to roll, and you don't have to do anything. You just get to move in and start using it. So everything's set up here. There is a, in the corner there, it's set up for plumbing. It's not there because, of course, the house is right next door, so you don't need it right away. But if somebody wanted to go ahead and make this into additional apartment space or something like that, they could do that. This is on two different lots. Again, it's over in Cordes Lakes. And as I walk through, because I don't have a cameraman, I'm going to try to be more efficient here. The lot is very big. Two separate lots. We've got Cordes Lakes water, and then we have APS, cable, everything set up here, just like if you were living in the city. The only thing that's different is we have propane and we have a septic system. In front of the house, real quick, I'm going to take you through the side gate here. There's a storage space right here. This is where the laundry is. I'll open that up real quick for you guys. Take a really quick peek. Laundry, storage. You know, not all houses are sexy and multi-million. Some of these homes are just like what you and I live in. So again, I'm going to walk in real quick. The owners were nice enough to give me permission to be here while they're gone. And this is a 1970s home, refurbished. They've lived in it since, I want to say early 80s, these folks. So they've been in this property for quite some time. And this right here sold them on the house. This was hand-built rock wall, part of the original structure. Each one of these rooms, it's kind of hard to tell, but each one of these rooms they're very, very large. There's two closets in this room. This is one of the guest beds. And I want to say this thing's easily 20 feet long and 15 on the other side, so 20 by 15. So each one of the rooms is really large. Again, guest bath. Oh, just making sure that we're here. It's just that I need to reconnect, so hopefully we're there. Anyways, this is another one of the guests. It's used as an office and also, you know, again for storage right now. But again, this is a good 20 by 12, at least 20 by 12, if not larger. Master bedroom right here. I'll walk in here real quick. Master is really good size. If you haven't noticed real quick, again, this is another 20 plus feet. We also have the master bath, full shower, everything set up for somebody who may have some issues with mobility, because again, all the hallways are nice and wide. The baths are set up to where you can go ahead and step in. They're all showers. I'll walk through and just show you a little bit of the backyard and some of the view again. Again, there's a sunroom over on the back of the house. already opened up and set. I'm going to walk through this direction for you. Back through. I don't know, being a guy, this is my favorite part of the whole house is the building. This right here is something you don't find every day. So this house is priced under $300,000. Again, a lot of opportunity for somebody who may want to live a little bit further out in a community that, again, has private water system, all set up. Hey, I see that my sister is actually watching right now live, and some other friends of mine are live. Thank you guys for watching. And again, if you have any questions, I'm gonna see if I can't flip this camera around real quick. If you have any questions, that again, there you go. I've got my COVID no barber haircut going on right now, but if you guys have any questions, feel free to either message us or give me a call. 928-237-4400 is my office number. You can give us a call anytime, and we'll go ahead and go over this with you again. We have professional photos we can go ahead and send your direction. Again, if there's any questions at all on any of our properties, 928-533-1633 is my cell, and then also the office number 928-237-4400. And then do me a favor, share this with your friends, anybody who's you think might be interested in something like this. These folks were nice enough to let me in on a Saturday to show off their property. And again, if anybody has questions or comments or anything else, let us know. And if you feel like you'd like to have your house shown like this, you can give us a call again. We have one of the properties that we just put on the market and did a virtual walkthrough. We have over 4,000 people looking at it. It's pretty amazing. So I appreciate all the folks out there that are willing to look at somebody on a Saturday. Have a great day. Bye-bye.